Hi, my name is Roxanne Sebastian. Today is December 2, 2018, and this is week 5 of Bio 240 course. And week 5 is about the respiratory system. And for this week's video exercise, I am going to do the first part of the lab exercise where we estimate the tidal volume. So for the first part, you have to be at rest for at least 1 hour prior to the beginning of this exercise. And using a timer, I'm going to count the number of times that I am going to breathe in 30 seconds. So one complete cycle of inhaling and exhaling is considered one breath. So I'm going to start. Okay, so I got 9. So from the result that I got, I'm going to record the number of breaths on the data in table 1. Says there trial 1 next to the number of 30 breaths per second. So for this video, I am only going to do this once, but for the lab, you have to repeat this 2 more times, a total of 3. So you have to record the number of breaths taken during each 30 seconds period under trial 2 and 3. And then you have to calculate the average of the 3 trials. And then you have to multiply the average by 2 to get the average number of breaths per minute. And then record the average number of breaths per minute on this table. So next step, I'm going to take a regular breath and exhale normally into a balloon. So I'm going to stretch the balloon several times and blow it up once or twice, nearly to its full capacity without breaking it. So once it is stretched, I'm just going to take a regular breath and exhale normally into the balloon. So here we go. Okay, I'm just going to squeeze the neck of the balloon to prevent the air from leaking, from coming out. And then I'm going to get a measuring tape and measure the circumference of the balloon. Okay, I'm going to use the centimeters. So right there, I'm going to use the widest part. So I got 45. So I'm going to I have to put the measurement that I got on the first trial right there in the circumference of the balloon. So again, you have to repeat this 2 more times. For this video, I'm only gonna show it once, but you have to repeat it 2 more times and then put it on the trial 2 and 3. And then you have to calculate and record the average of the circumference from the 3 trials and then put it under the average of trials right there. So once you have the average of the trials, you can calculate the average radius of the balloon by dividing the average circumference from the average trial that we got. And divided by 2 pi, which is equivalent to 6.28. And this is the equation. So right there, average radius at rest. So the circumference divided by 2 pi. Then once you have this, you can move on to the next equation to get the tidal volume. So right there. And that concludes my video for week 5 of Bio 240 course. Thank you.